Please welcome into the arena, Wojciech Szczęsny, the Killer Filler!
Ball in the left side, that's what he was attempting. Now what does he have on the two ball? So Wojciech has to offer Joshua something. Was playing safe. That was his intended path, but this cue ball will roll. But Joshua can eradicate that problem right now. Playing it off the four, releasing the four, drawing back from the for the three. Lovely.
Filler is the perfect. It's in.
Yeah, and then he had a six ball against Jason Shaw that went in about.
The three final favourites.
That worked. Now where's that blue ball going in relation to the cue ball? Game one. Joshua has to give Wojciech something to look at. Often a lot. Careful for that side pocket. Wow, a lot of back. Incredible. Loaded this one up with bottom right spin. And this is too hard. Oh.
There's only one.
Look here, he's still got a shot, still got a shot. Yeah.
He really means business.
Yeah, so what did Wojciech have? One safety off of which he scratched, and a lag he won. Because stuff can happen, right? He may not make a ball on the break, and then Wojciech may win that rack.
In action. And of course, the man at the table. This is still very early days. He wouldn't go on a celebrate.
There it goes, one ball down in the intended pocket. Two ball. It's like I've seen the six. So wants to keep an angle on the four ball. Now in making this four ball, yeah, and as I've said often, it's so, and to be honest, an inspired Joshua Filler, I mean,
Joshua Filler. Looks like the beat.
Four rails. 1, 2, 3. Into the severed.
Okay.
Oh, why not just spin the cue ball off through? Center pocket that one went.
Five 0.
One ball and two ball traveling together. Okay, wanted the right spin to take a bit more than it did, and towards ping 4.
For the occasions I enjoy most to win a world-class player is right
well,
there.
right? Yeah, it's so difficult. Of course, you hardly see two players both at mix. Of course, some people may say, why are these players without Josh's interference? So it works both ways.
He'd win under any format.
Nine ball. Textbook 9-ball break though. Off the rail, off the top of the 9 with the cue ball, and that drives it into the corner pocket.
Oh, there's a
Behind, make the 3-9-5 form a wall of balls. That's what he's trying. See, and that good impact. And this playing with the bridge, but like he's cueing normally. Ready for what would have been the biggest potential win of his career. Has won the world.
and like all great
Maybe
champions,
the next mistake might follow quicker, but if you are faultless, it's inspiring, right? Of course, and a really great final. He's maybe not even thinking about the will it cooperate with Joshua's wishes? Kind of. Clean. Clean as a focus into that shot. Well, like every shot.
the first match on, but you never expect the last match of any tournament to be a whitewash because it's the final.
The exact right angles. And I always tell my students, you know, don't show me how fast you can play the game.
The Fuller 1-0.
Excuse me.
There's a
After missing it, the 8-7-9 has become a little bit of a, well, might already keep an angle on the 3 ball to break open that 7-8-9 cluster. It's going to clear up the 4 and the 5. Drive his cue ball into the 9, because if he can stop his cue ball where the 9 ball is, hey, never mind that. Ooh, that can work. Give this boy a shot on the
Yeah, sometimes you see players in sport smile through gritted teeth, but
And that's the thing with Joshua Filler, right? He's a guy, and it's it all helps his pool game, I can promise you. That worked. Now, where's the cue ball to the 2 ball? 2 ball.
and so you have to seriously
Furley
wonder.
would have been snookered behind the 5 as things stand in prime position.
He missed the 5 in the...
Yeah, and what a combination of natural potting prowess, smart.
Pool is a sport that he doesn't dominate in the strict. Well, there's the tutter, the chief tutter might be Filler himself.
Yeah. Here we go. Don't call it a comeback.
I just...
Yeah. Has not gone down well with the production coaches. I believe we're going to be
We do all the work, Rico, and they get... It is...
Yeah, again, makes a ball on the break and it looks... There you go, look at this. He's potted. So what I mean, it looks easy on TV.
And he has the cheek to shake his head in his chair after everything he's done tonight, just because he missed the final last year, winning 5-0 against Inter Milan. The women's final at Wimbledon last won in the final of this event last year for Aloysius Japp. And Filler had his own 13.
I think it was the evening of day 3 where me and Phil sort of finished out the evening session and spin. Lovely, stunned it with a tiny bit of check, Chev check.
Yeah, it's one of those nature for the first time on the World 9-Ball Tour. But it's an experience which doesn't...
Well, I don't want to tempt fate. Michael, this final started at...
Come on! You cannot play any better than that. So much work to get to the final, and then basically didn't get to play in it.